Ultrasonic, the core competence of ATS. You can rely on the unique cold welding technology delivered by ATS machines for your production needs. From standard machine to fully automated systems, the patented ultrasonic welding head is unique. It seals the band at 40,000 Hertz. The result is both tear-resistant and residue-free. No warm-up time is needed. The machine is immediately ready for use. Cold welding technology generates neither fumes nor odor, and there are no material residues. The process is safe and radiation-free. No burns to the operator, no damage to the product. Ultrasonic welding never fails, even in damp, dusty, or cold environments. Ultrasonic technology is highly reliable and durable. In fact, ultrasonic welding is guaranteed and tear-resistant. The new DCP 2000 digital control unit makes operating the machine easier and more convenient. The adjustment of the sealing strength is infinitely variable. From slight welding that permits easy opening of the seal to high-strength welding for heavy products. Ultrasonic technology is maintenance-free for cost-effective banding of a wide range of products. An environmentally friendly film and paper bands save on material and reduce waste disposal costs. Durable, clean, and safe, all in one. That's the success formula of ATS Ultrasonic Technology.